Understanding Insurance Claim Form. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a very practical and important topic that you might encounter in your daily life, especially if you're living in an English-speaking country. We're talking about insurance claim forms. Whether it's for your car, health, or home, understanding this document is crucial. So, let's break it down together. An insurance claim form is a document that you submit to your insurance company whenever you need to request payment for a loss that is covered under your insurance policy. This could be anything from a minor car accident to a health issue requiring medical treatment. The form allows you to provide all the necessary details about the incident and the extent of your loss. Understanding and correctly filling out an insurance claim form is vital because it is the first step in the process of getting your insurance company to pay for your losses. A well-completed form can expedite your claim, ensuring you receive the financial assistance you're entitled to without unnecessary delay. 1. Personal information. This includes your full name, address, contact details, and sometimes your insurance policy number. 2. Incident details. Here, you'll describe what happened, including the date, time, and location of the incident. 3. Loss details. You need to specify what was damaged or lost, and the estimated cost of these damages or losses. 4. Documentation. Many forms require you to attach evidence of the incident, such as photos, police reports, or medical records. Be precise. Provide clear and concise information about what happened. Be honest. Always tell the truth. Providing false information can lead to your claim being denied. Document everything. Keep records and receipts related to the incident, as they can support your claim. Review before submitting. Double-check your form for any errors or missing information. Filling out an insurance claim form might seem daunting at first, but understanding its importance and knowing what to include can make the process much smoother. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and will help you navigate through your insurance claims more confidently. Remember, it's always better to be prepared before you need to make a claim. Stay safe, and see you in our next video.